Hey, hi, my
How's
friend.
it going?
How are you?
Good. Welcome to Kitchen 55.
We'll let you get something for my lunch right now.
All right.
What do you recommend, man?
Oh, so we've got plenty of options out there. We focus on chef-inspired sandwiches and hand-cut fries. So every day we start with the whole potato. Blanch them, soak them, cut them, everything you can think of like that. Our proteins we're breaking down. We're dredging things by hand. We're making all our sauces by scratch. But if you're here, you're trying to get a winning lunch, I'm going to say go for the award winner right here.
Yep.
Dot's Chicken Sandwich. It's can't beat out 13 brick and mortar restaurants for the best chicken sandwich in the Grand Rapids area. And then if you're just by yourself today, I'm gonna say get the truffle fries.
Okay.
That's our most popular fry. It's like we got all the toppings and everything like that. But if you're looking for lunch, let's go with the traditional truffle fries.
Sounds good. So we can order, right?
Yes, sir. We'll order
Okay.
right here.
Yep.
If you want to help yourself to a soda down there, we can get ready to cook.
Yeah, sure.
You want to get the camera up in here, see how things are really done?
Sure. Hi.
Go.
How are you?
Big ol' honker. Pretzel coated chicken thigh.
Oh, wow.
Michigan brioche that we're using today. Normally this comes on a potato scallion, but we ran out of that one earlier, so we're using Michigan made brioche.
French fries.
French fries there, and we got that chicken starting to get the right colors going. That top is a little hot. Let's make sure we didn't burn this bun. We're looking all right.
Yep. You gonna put a cheese?
Yes, sir.
What kind of cheese is?
Smoked and aged Gouda.
Oh. Can I get it with extra cheese?
Ha! You can if you ask.
Yeah?
Would you like?
Yeah, sure.
All right, we'll get a second piece of cheese on there for you.
Sounds good. Thank you.
So bottom bun, we start with our bacon jam here. We marry up a bunch of bacon, onion, balsamic vinegar, some sugar, and some honey. Get this nice jammy texture, load that up on that bottom bun. Get it so you got a nice surface coverage, every bite gets it. After that, we turn it into a little salad. We got our spinach and arugula right here.
Yep.
Get that on there, get a nice bed of greens going. Top it right off with a little honeycomb mustard that we make in-house. Slap a couple of these tomatoes.
I see you are working in different places. So, what days of the week you are here? Because then I saw you in Sagatuck.
Yeah, so you saw us in Sagatuck, so we have a routine there. Being in the food truck business, it's a little bit difficult to get a set routine.
Yeah.
But we're in Sagatuck every Tuesday. Best place to keep up with us is actually Facebook or Instagram. Every day, pretty much, we post where we'll be. Unless it's a private event or something like that where we're not necessarily open to the public, you can hop on Facebook, Instagram, see daily where we're going to be, what times we'll be open, and all kinds of good stuff like that.
Yeah.
But we go up and down the lakeshore, South Haven to Grand Haven, Hudsonville, Grand Rapids. So sticking around here in West Michigan for sure, but we get around.
Cool. And what do you do right now?
So right now I'm temping that chicken.
So for how long you are making hamburger or, like your business?
So we've been in business for 3 years now.
3 years?
Yep. This is, we just wrapped up. We're here in September, so just wrapped up summer number 3.
Good.
It's getting that nice, perfect golden brown color, that pretzel coated.
Yep.
French fries just about looking perfect right there.
This is my
We go a little
color.
darker than you may think just because they are homemade, and then you got to get them crispy. You won't ever find a soggy fry coming off this truck. And if you do, it's usually me throwing it at somebody.
Yeah. Oh, look at the chicken. Oh, wow.
Yes, sir. Get that perfect color.
Yeah.
Probably
really
another 20
perfect
seconds,
color.
that's going to be done.
Tell me, what are you going to make?
So this is our pesto aioli. It's already made up. I just, it's got the wrong tip on it. It's got a fair amount of pesto in there.
Yeah.
A little bit of Parmesan and some aioli. So we'll set this on our little resting rack we got right there. These bad boys seasoned up. So that truffle salt's got a bunch of truffle infusion in there. And then we got our Parmesan cheese that gets coated on there.
This is my favorite cheese, Parmesan cheese.
Yes.
Yeah.
So once you think you're just about there, you go in with more cheese.
Yeah, go
Add
ahead.
your truffle oil, toss, give something for that Parmesan cheese to stick to. Truffle fries.
Oh wow, look at that, guys. So pretty.
So
Wow.
season them up for you right here. Or already got them seasoned. Plate them up for you right here.
Yeah.
Truffle fries there. We'll put that aioli in the corner for you.
Wow.
That's the first part.
Yeah.
We'll take it. We'll bring it over here to the bun set. Put it on top of those tomatoes right there. Cone mustard. We'll hit it with that first layer of cheese. This is what the normal amount would.
Yeah.
And then we got your extra cheese right there. I'm actually
wow.
gonna go ahead and sneak this. I'm gonna do a 180 with your chicken. Boom. Extra mustard and extra cheese. Gotta love it.
And this is for me, right?
Yes, sir. You can order extra cheese if you like.
Yes.
There is your Donald's chicken sandwich with extra cheese.
Wow. It's ready, right?
Yes, sir.
Hi guys. We are with
Kitchen 55 and Mason Miller.
And we are in Metsusa Travel Food. Welcome.
I have my chicken sandwich. That's chicken. Oh wow. So huge. And I have my French fries. Truffle fries. Wow. So cool.
Okay guys, this is my favorite part of my video. And I have here,
The truffle fries.
wow,
Hand cut, potatoes, soaked, blanched, fried, and then you get them coated in Parmesan, truffle salt, truffle oil, and then that's our pesto aioli right there on the side.
yeah, well, can I try?
Enjoy.
Thank
Hopefully
you.
they live up to their rep.
Wow, I'm going to try right now.
I heard the crunch from here.
Oh wow, wow, oh my god. Really good guys. Wow, really good texture. Everything, the dips, what it is.
The pesto aioli.
Oh my god, the best one. And I tried in my life. Mr. Miller, really nice job.
Thank you.
Mm.
That's what we go for. That's the reaction we hope.
Yeah, wow, really nice job. Excellent. Look at that guy, it's so huge. Too huge. Too
It's
big.
been known that a few people will split that sandwich with a basket of fries.
Yeah. Oh wow, so beautiful. And I asked with extra cheese. Wow, look at that. Tell me my Dutch chicken.
So you got bacon jam on there, some spinach, arugula, fresh sliced tomato, our honeycomb mustard, that pretzel coated chicken on there, with the smoked aged Gouda.
What is that?
That's the bacon jam. So it's sweet, savory. It's got a little bit of that sweetness with a little bit of tanginess. Really rounds it out.
What?
Is the chicken juicy?
Yeah, it is.
Good. Can't have a dry chicken sandwich. That's not something that you need.
Well, you know what? Everything is kind of really perfect combination.
Balanced?
Yeah,
That's what we go for.
really good. Chicken. Oh wow.
Like, there's a lot of things that get balanced and everything like that. It's like a lot of flavors to work together, but to make them work, you got to get them in the right ratios too.
Mm.
You got the sweet and the zip from the mustard, same from the bacon jam, that big old piece of chicken on there.
This chicken sandwich is the most famous here.
It is our most famous chicken sandwich by a fair amount, and then it also did compete in the Grand Rapids Chicken Sandwich Throwdown and came home with the first place prize.
Look at that guy. Huge but really good. Really, really good. I like it. Everything, it's a really good combination. The balance is exactly. And I wanna end that chicken sandwich. But really good. Thank you, sir.
Of course.
You make really nice job.
Thank you.
I'm pretty happy staying here. And thank you for staying here with my channels. And I thought my
Of course, thank
my
you for coming out.
Yeah, my audience
Glad to
gonna
get you traveling.
yeah, sure. My audience gonna be really happy with this kind of chicken sandwich because it's pretty good. It's excellent. Thank you
Worth
so
traveling
much.
for?
Yeah,
Good, I'm glad.
yeah. I think it's worth it. Thank you so much, and I'm gonna finish it in a couple minutes. But before I'm going to say thank you, Mr. Miller, for this beautiful invitation. Thank you so
Thank you.
much, and I hope to see you soon. Maybe at my house and making you go to.
We do
prepare
private
something.
events and
Yeah.
everything like that. We do public,
Yeah.
private, corporate, everything like that.
Thank
Caterings,
you.
birthday parties, open houses, anything you can think of.
Yeah. Do you want to say what is your social medias?
So we're Kitchen 55. You can find us on Facebook. Kitchen 55_MH on Instagram. And if you find us both those places, you can get the email, the phone number, reach out for anything you may need. You can find our menus posted there, daily spots where we'll be and everything like that. We're working on getting a website built, but young business still working on getting that built. Want to make sure it's done right before it's done at all.
Yes, sounds pretty good. Well, thank you so much. Bye bye, and see you soon. Thank you for everything.